The Senzo Meyiwa murder trial is expected to resume in the High Court in Pretoria this morning after being adjourned yesterday. The adjournment was to allow legal representatives to consult with the accused. Muzi Sibiya, Bongani Ntanzi, Mthobisi Mncube, Mthokozisi, Maphisa and Sifisokuhle Ntuli are accused of orchestrating the murder of the former Bafana and Orlando Pirates captain. Meyiwa was killed in Vosloorus, east of Johannesburg, almost 8 years ago. Let's bring in Chriselda Lewis now. She's at the court. Chriselda, what can we expect this morning?
Well, Desiree, your guess is as good as mine, but we're hoping, and certainly the Meyiwa family is hoping, that the trial will finally get underway this morning. Recall yesterday a slight delay in that the lawyer representing accused number 5 wanted to consult further with accused number 5, stating that some of the documents that she received were as late as the 30th of March, and that she needed to consult with her client so that they're able to build their defense. So essentially that was the delay pertaining to the start of the trial yesterday. The Meyiwas arrived at court yesterday, really hoping that this would be a further step in coming to light in terms of what happened on that day in 2014. In this instance, what we're expecting here today, I know that some of the state witnesses were in court yesterday. One of the reasons that the state had given pertaining to why the documents were released so late to the defense, them saying that the documents themselves contained the sensitive names of those who are going to testify in this matter, to such a degree that they're fearing for their lives, according to the state, indicating some of these witnesses are in witness protection, and that I guess the sooner this trial does get underway, the better for them in this instance. You know that since 2014 there have been a number of delays in this particular matter, and the Meyiwas have been calling for justice, wanting this matter to finally come before the courts for trial. I want to chat now to Zama Meyiwa, who is the sister to the late Senzo Meyiwa, hoping again today. Sizama siyabulela ngesikhathi sakho sisi. Izolo bekukena amagingqigingqi kancane nje ukuthi i-case lona lingahlali. Unilethemba namhlanje lokuthi i-case lizawuhlala la e-court namhlanje ne-trial ukuthi iqhubeke ke manje.
Ya sisi sinethemba namhlanje ukuthi nekukhona unyakazo ozowenzeka since kube ne-delay izolo. Ya ngoba phela vele abesinemibuzo sonke lesikhathi ukuthi kwenzakalani, so sinethemba ukuthi njobe sekwi-trial sise high court ukhona into ezovela, ngoba vele sonke phela silinde ukwazi iqiniso sokwenzakalani kahle kahle, so sinethemba namhlanje ukhona umnyakazo ozokwenzakala.
Ninjani kodwa ekhaya esesikhashana phela manje uSenzo akasekho ngoku-8 years sisi, noba kubhlungu niyifamily nisizwa kanjani kodwa ngalesikhathi lesi sisi?
Into engayisho nje kubhlungu kakhulu. Yazi ngikhumbula njengoba de sibuka i-documentary kuwo kwavuka ubuhlungu, engaze ngibuze ngazi ukuthi ingalelanga siza ukuthi ushonile. Ngiye ngabona uma ekhala, yabona khona misaqala ibhlungu le nto leya ibhlungu. Yazi ingakho ngithi namhlanje ngathi ngakhona umnyazo wenzakala, because ngaso sonke isikhathi if ukukhona indaba kaSenzo kuvuka ilonda njalo, so sekuyisikhathi manje ukuthi iqiniso livele. Cela bazizwele nathi manje, siyacela ukwehla senyuka sisuke ekhaya siza la lokho kukhona inkinga eziba khona. Ubuhlungu akekho umuntu owazi ubuhlungu esibuzwayo thina ekhaya. Into engifisa ukuthi mina iyenzeka ukuthi ekhistike oyedwa abazali baSenzo aziqinise saphila, ngoba ubaba ushone efuna ukwazi iqiniso ngengane yakhe. So ke ilokho nje ngicelayo phela.
Leyo documentary sisi, I think abantu abaningi bayibhekile, kwakhulunywa futhi kakhulu ngokuthi mhlawumbe nalabo bebekhona bephawula lapho ukuthi mhlawumbe kwayenzakalani lapha. Nicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe sisama labantu abakhona lana enkantolo yibona mebe ukuthi baphendule ukuthi kwenze njani kuSenzo?
Ya ngithemba ukuthi labantu ababanjiwe yibona fana basinikeza impendulo. Inkantolo yona ozwenza wonke lo msebenzi ukuthi mebema lapha ya befunga bethi bazokhuluma iqiniso, bakhuluma iqiniso kuyilona. Ilokho nje sicela ukuthi nje bakhuluma iqiniso, basitshele ukuthi kwenzakalani, ubani ukuthi bathunyela yonke lento sidinga nje ukwazi nje phela. uSenzo ngesisambusa kodwa sidinga ukwazi kwenzakalani phela.
Umama yena unjani? Sibonile futhi nakule documentary oyichazayo ukuthi ubuhlungu kuyena ziningi lento ezikhona ayikhulumile lapho unjani yena njengoba le case sesiyibona manje ukuthi izoya kwi-trial nokuthi mhlawumbe nje busitsho kunethemba mhlawumbe lokuthi namhlanje kuzoba nenqubeko phambili.
Umama uyancenga ngingathi uyancenga ngenxa ukuthi umele abe strong phambi kwabangani zakhe nabazukulu bakhe sengisho ingane zasenzo. Umama uzama kakhulu ngoba ngikhumbula ngelanga wake wathi yena bayitshothini uzohamba aqala nginobaba kodwa ngenxa ukuthi umama omkhulekayo wakhuleka ukuthi uNkulunkulu amsize akwazi ukubhekana nalesimo. Njengamanje ngisho ukuthi nje uma uyena mpheme wethu sonke ekhaya iyona nje into engayisho ngayo strong kakhulu noma phela kunzima ngoba ebusuku uyayasho useyizama ngilaleki ngilala ngihleze ngicabanga ukuthi ngempela kwenzakalani yabona umama ngempela uyazama ngisho kanjalo uyazama
njengefamily mhlawumbe niyasola ukuthi mhlawumbe omunye uphenyo okume ukuthi kube khona emaphoyiseni nokuthi mhlawumbe kube khona abanye abantu mhlawumbe abazofika bazophendula lana. Siyamuzwa ubaba uGerinel esisho ukuthi imastermind yona ayikho la enkantolo. Amaphoyisa mebe ukuthi bawenza umsebenzi wabo ukuthi imastermind funeka ibe khona la enkantolo. Niyifamily nithi nicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe funeka kube khona abanye abantu mebe ukuthi babe khona la enkantolo.
Siyifamily sicabanga kanjalo ukuthi kufanele ngabe kuba khona abantu abakhona la enkantolo abazinika impendulo nje. For example like abantu ababesendlini yabona siyafisa sibame ku stand basitshela ukuthi kwenzakalani. Mengithatha ukukhumbula ngonyaka odlule ubaba ubheka icele wafika ekhaya syndicate watshela umama ukuthi ubani umastermind okusithusayo namanje ukuthi kungani pho engabushwanga yabo. Engisho ukuthi mawukuthi mhlambe kukhona imali yakhishwa ngizobuyela emuva nje emagameni ababa ngelanga wake wathi ubaba awusoze wamthenga umlungu yohleze ufuna uveza iqiniso. So ke sithi thini afiforum izofika izofundulula inkohlakalo ebikhona eceleni kaSenzo because manje lecala lelikhombisa ukuthi sabantu abamnyama siqondezelana sodwa. Sibanikezile isikhathi bafike ekhaya basitshela lokhu nalokhu kodwa kuze kube manje abazibenzele lutho ngaphandle kwaforum since ifikile kwakhona umehluko khona. So sithemba ukuthi ke khona into ezokwenzeka.
Sisama ngizobuza futhi ngoba ubhuti uSifiso ebeke wakhuluma ngokuthi ingathi sikhona ezinye izinto mhlambe ezibhlungu abantu uzizwe ngathi yena uyathreatenishwa yena. Zikhona lezo zinto mhlambe efamilini esenzakalayo mhlambe eningayiqondi ukuthi kanti sekwenze njani manje.
Kulokho angeke ngize ngiphawule kakhulu ngoba angeke ngazi ngiyengeza kumzala wami ukuthi kukhona izinsolo ezinjalo sifisa kaba nazo kodwa thina ekhaya akukho esesabhekana nakho kufana nalokho ngaphandle wababa esaphila nje kwathola into ezifana nalezo ukuthi akhulumele ukuthi ufuna ukwazi kwenzakani ngengane yakhe bamsongela abanye babo babekhona kwenzeka lento. So okwamanje akukho kusenzakaleni ngaphandle kwalokho wasifisa noma ngingazi kahle hle ukuthi kuba kwenzakalani.
Okugcina sisinifuna ubonani niyifamily.
Sifuna ukubona lo wadubula uSenzo. Sinokwazi ukuthi waye kwakwenze njani wayenzeni uSenzo eze edutshulwa futhi nokwazi ukuthi indaba kuthatha isikhathi eside kangaka ukuthi kuze kuvele iqiniso.
Siyabonga sisama, siyabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho sisi. Sama Meyiwa, who is the sister to the slain soccer star, Sama Meyiwa, talking to us saying that what they're really hoping for a family is that at the end of the day you will have those who are believed to be responsible for the death of Senzo Meyiwa brought to book. She says that their mother is holding very strong, but she's exceedingly emotional, and in this instance she is hoping that this matter will be resolved while their mother is still alive. You would recall that the father of Senzo Meyiwa and a father to Zama, Mr. Sam Meyiwa, had passed away while this matter has not yet been resolved. She says it's extremely difficult every time that they have to travel from KwaZulu-Natal to here in Johannesburg, or to Pretoria now where the case is sitting. It's been extremely difficult for them, and it opens up wounds that haven't yet healed. She says that she believes that there are people who still need to come and answer in this court, saying that those that were inside the house are the people who need to also come and tell this court what they know. You would know, of course, she refers to a documentary currently, which is on Netflix, which basically speaks to quite a number of people, including the family, where you can clearly see that the mother to Senzo Meyiwa is very distraught by what has taken place, and other family members as well who have conducted interviews there. Zama Meyiwa sharing those sentiments here this morning. I'm not sure that if we have enough time, maybe I can bring in the cousin as well, Sis Normal. Not at this stage, unfortunately. We've already spoken to Sis Zama. She's unfortunately not able to speak to us at this stage, but you know, the situation itself, this family hoping that there will be justice in this matter, and that the trial itself will eventually get underway today. We know that there have been some concerns that have been raised by the state in that they want this matter to get underway. Some of the state witnesses that are in witness protection wanted to get underway so that they're able to, I guess, deal with this once and for all in terms of what they've known. We've also heard previously from family members that, since 2014, there have been massive delays in this matter, as we've seen. So they're hoping that today, finally, there would be some movement in this case pertaining to the murder of slain soccer star Senzo Meyiwa.
One can imagine it's taken its toll. Thank you so much for the update, Chriselda, and of course, we'll endeavour to cross live to the proceedings when they begin.